Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of filling out the UnionBank ePaycard application. This is an important step if you want to receive your salary through UnionBank. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth and successful application. Let's get started. Step 1. Receiving your reference code and downloading the UB app. The first step is to wait for a text message from UnionBank. The message will instruct you to download the UB application from the Play Store. At the bottom of the message, you'll find your unique reference code. If you already have an existing UnionBank account, please uninstall the app and download it again to clear your history. Step 2. Initiating ePaycard creation. Once you've downloaded the UB app, open it, and click on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. Next, navigate to Create Another Card, and select ePaycard Creation. Here's where you'll need to input your reference code. Make sure to keep it handy throughout the process. Step 3. Filling out personal information and uploading requirements. Now it's time to fill out your personal information. Provide accurate details to ensure a smooth application process. The next step is crucial: uploading your requirements. The app will prompt you to upload the following documents. 1. Valid ID. Choose from the following: PRC licensed, NBI clearance, police clearance, UMID, passport, driver license, voter ID, postal ID, full health ID, TIN ID, PAG Big ID. 2. A formal 1x1 ID picture or a selfie. 3. 3 clear signatures. Step 4. Submitting the form and waiting for approval, rejection. Once you've completed all the necessary information and uploaded your requirements, review everything for accuracy. When you're confident it's all correct, submit the form. Now, you'll need to wait for an email from UnionBank regarding the status of your application. This process usually takes approximately 2 to 5 days. 1. If your application is approved, congratulations! You can now proceed to open your UnionBank account. 1. Inform your recruiter or employer that your UB application has been approved and they can proceed with salary arrangements. 2. In the unfortunate event that your application is rejected, don't worry. Check the email for the reason for rejection. 2. Common reasons include unclear 1x1 photo or blurry IDs. 2. If this happens, reach out to your recruiter or employer immediately. 2. They will provide you with a new reference code. 2. Fill out the application form again with clear copies of your requirements. Important reminder: no UB account, no salary. Completing the ePaycard application is crucial. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and upload clear copies of your requirements to avoid any delays. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to fill out the UnionBank application for ePaycard. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to UnionBank support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your UnionBank ePaycard application.